So these are called needle detectors. If a needle is broken and the yarn is not releasing itself from the hook, the yarn will build up on the hook and force, you know, it will make a bump on the knitting and it will pop this up. There'll be a light that will come on, so you can locate which one, but there's also a little red.
Oh, a pin, yeah, that just came out.
And that will mean that in this immediate area to the right, because it's turning to the right, there's a damaged needle. And then you would slowly bring it to the other side and change the needle. And then this only has to be put down again.
That's sick.
Very simple mechanical process.
Ouais, je sais, le petit comme... If that turns on, is there an error message there and then...
Yes.
Yeah, c'est ça.
Well, this light will go on and then there will be an error. Well, here, look. It should show?
Yeah, sorry,
oh, wait a minute. One second. So I just cleared it. By hitting the red light, it will clear. You could fix this and it will still show it. You have to hit the red button. Okay. Either of the two red buttons. So, came on? Yeah. And it's a needle or?
Needle latch.
Needle latch. And if this one goes off up here, 1 second, let me just, and then you should have
yarn storage.
There you go. And then if this one goes off, you know what, 1 second. If this one goes off, yarn storage. Yeah. And even though I've repaired this error message is still on, but you have to hit the red, you have to release it by hitting the red stop button.